Today is my topic. Uniform is very important.
And my topic uniform is not important.
So let's start our debate competition. Uniform is a very important in a school.
Yes.
Students wearing a uniform, they are the equality in a students. Uniform wearing is equality in a students.
And in my opinion, if uniform is not comfortable for everyone, if any children if any children don't wear uniform, it can be reflect in his or her mental health.
It's my opinion where is a uniform positive attitude in students. Some students are poor, some students are rich. But students they came into school, they are equal students.
Some rich people cannot afford children's uniform. Rich people can afford uniform for.
But they are students wearing a uniform, same dressing, tie, belt, etc. They are equal in a school. No poor, no rich. They are equal in students. They are positive attitude.
But I am saying poor people cannot afford uniform to their children. Rich people can afford uniform to their children.
But it is a necessary things in a wear a uniform in the school because students go to private school wear a uniform and government school uniform change and private school uniforms change. Students equality in a uniform.